Hey guys, welcome back to Borderlands 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Once again, we're testing out new tales from the Borderlands for the PC. Shockingly enough, this runs better than Yuzu does. As Yuzu, you got a lot of graphical issues in there. This one actually just runs, which is quite nice. The volume's low, but we'll fix that. Much better. So with this one, unfortunately, it seems that my FPS counter doesn't want to work, which is kind of crazy considering it just worked for when I tested Alan Wake. But regardless, it's running. It's running right now, and this is actually playable on the Ryujinx emulator. Quite amazing, to be honest with you. I am using the Vulkan backend as well. I am actually quite impressed by this. But once again, don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This is new tales from the Borderlands. I'm running with an i7-4790 with an AMD RX-570, 4GB VRAM, and 16GB of DDR3 memory. If you're new to the channel and you wanted to see. But yes, you can play new tales from Borderlands on the Ryujinx simulator. I've done a video with Yuzu. Yuzu did not come out great. So just keep that in mind. I just wanted to put that out there. I'm going to mute myself now, so I'll enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time.
As I was saying, in addition to forever altering the nature of conflict vis-a-vis offering a non-lethal resolution, my device could also change the world. For the better. Imagine a way for people to solve their problems without killing each other.
I literally can't.
I just have to figure out how to actually bring back the objects I phased away. And also where they go. And also what happens to them. Simple. Interdepartmental demonstration scheduled for 2 weeks from today. Dr. Anuradha Dar signing off.
Oh, snap. 2 weeks? Really? It's going to be ready by then? You always seem so hesitant to put a timeline on this bad boy, so 2 weeks. Wow.
Yes. It will be ready. I mean, it really sort of has to be. Like, it has to be. It's so important. And also almost time for our quarterly reviews. All I've got to do is just figure out the next step. That's it. There's got to be something I'm missing.
Figure it out with, like, your intuition or with your tech goggles?
I would like to think both.
Maybe start with the tech goggles, though. There's a button on the side. You have to press...
Okay, goggles. Let's try a diagnostic. So, for starters, I should probably put an actual power source in there, huh?
You did the goggles for that.
Now, where did I put that iridium ore?
Being absent-minded, messy, and disorganized are signs of a genius.
I don't know why I ever thought a Jabberman translator was a good idea. It worked, sure, but it turns out all they want to do is fornicate in plain pieces. What a waste of time. Do you happen to have the iridium ore in your pocket?
What? No, of course not. Why would I keep iridium in my pocket?
The pocket just seems full.
Oh, don't get cheeky with me, boss. Not unless you mean it.
What? No. Would a clearer-headed Anu have stored the iridium in here before calling it a night? And would a clearer-headed Anu remember the code to her safe for once? Why does this lock always jam? Didn't we put in an IT ticket for this?
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
What? No, that's impossible.
Just try the combination again, I guess.
Why does this lock always jam? Didn't we put in an IT ticket for this?
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
What? No, that's impossible.
Just try the combination again, I guess.
Better grab some money for lunch while I've got this bad boy unlocked.
Did you say lunch? You buyin'?
In the toolbox, maybe?
Hiding the key component to your life's work from yourself? You are one eccentric.
My trusty tools. So much potential for science in these simple implements. And what's that? Oh, Anu, really?